These 3 days are fully dedicated to connect with that possibility. The way she is consecrated right now, somewhere between 3600 to 4500 years, she will last.
पंच इंद्रिय तारिणी देवी पंचकोश प्रवेशिनी अग्नि भूमि जलाकाश वायु पंच स्वरूपिणी देवी पंच इंद्रिय तारिणी देवी पंचकोश प्रवेशिनी अग्नि भूमि जलाकाश वायु पंच स्वरूपिणी देवी चित्त प्रभाषिनी देवी बुद्धि विकासिनी अहंकार गर्व विनाशिनी परज्ञान प्रदायिनी देवी चित्त प्रभाषिनी देवी बुद्धि विकासिनी अहंकार गर्व विनाशिनी परज्ञान प्रदायिनी देवी 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 देवी
Devi is not a destination, she is an access point. She opens up a possibility which is limitless in nature. So Devi is a doorway. This is a movement from religion to responsibility. This is not a new religion that you're converting yourself to, you must understand this. This is a movement where we are taking responsibility not only for things that we know, but things that we do not know. The possibilities that we have not realized, is that not our responsibility? Hello? Possibilities we have realized and enjoying, we take responsibility for that. I am asking, things that we have not realized, is this not our responsibility? Only if we take that, doors open up. This is just that process. And she is a doorway. If you open, if you're focused and knocking on her and every day, when she opens, life is at a different level.
भैरवी 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 भैरवी
These 3 days are fully dedicated to connect with that possibility that we refer to as Bhairavi or the goddess or whatever you want to call it. Why Bhairavi? She is a consequence of a certain algorithms that we built for her, so that she exudes a certain kind of energy. One key aspect of what Bhairavi stands for is, there is something called as Bhairavi Rakta Shuddhi. Rakta Shuddhi means purification of your blood. If you take last 6-7 generations, you are just a replay of the 7 generations of people. The kind of body that you have, the kind of mind that you have, whether it works, that it doesn't work, both. When you were 18, you thought you were shaken off all those people, but slowly you see they are beginning to manifest. So this is Bhairavi Rakta Shuddhi means purification of your blood from all your ancestral imprints, so that if you sit here, it's just you, just life, not just a rerun of the old movie. You can shape this whichever way you want. This is important. If you are spiritually oriented, this is fundamental. The word Devi comes from the root word Div. There are two aspects to what is Div. One thing is, it means space. But the same word is used as the glorious. Divya also means glorious. So, space is the most glorious thing, empty space is the most glorious thing. So, Bhairavi has a form, but she represents that space, which is the lap of creation. So, this dimension of life, what we are referring to as Devi, is to ignite that anything that you see, if you look a little, one layer deeper, every damn thing is magical. So, Devi, a glorious space, is what we're trying to create. As a part of this, key number in Devi's algorithm is 11, 5, 3 are important numbers. 11 is the most important number for her. The measurements, this, that, everything has 11 or multiples of 11 in so many ways. Because when we create a space, only if it's of a certain proper proportions of dimension, then this reverberation will live long and forever. When I say forever, the way she is consecrated right now, somewhere between 3600 to 4500 years, she will last. Jai Bhairavi Devi! After that, what will happen? Well, certain changes will happen in her. We will leave it with people who are capable of doing things. So those of you willing should dedicate a certain amount of time and focus so that we can build such people so next generations are not barren.
अति महिमयुते भैरवी हे देवी अति महिमयुते भैरवी सदा रौद्रवदनयुतमूते सदा रौद्रवदनयुतमूते स्वीकुरु मां तव निस्सीम करुणा कटाक्षे हे देवी अति महिमयुते महाशक्ति सदा रौद्र रौद्रवदनयुतमूर्ते सदा रौद्रवदनयुतमूर्ते स्वीकुरु मां तव निस्सीम करुणा कटाक्षे हे देवी अतिमहिमयुते महाशक्ति सदा रौद्रवदनयुतमूर्ते सदा रौद्रवदनयुतमूर्ते स्वीकुरु मां तव निस्सीम करुणा कटाक्षे महादेवी महेश्वरी रौद्रिणी दया सागरी महादेवी महेश्वरी रौद्रिणी दया सागरी महादेवी महेश्वरी रौद्रिणी दया सागरी துன்பமில்லாத நிலையே பைரவி தூக்கம் எல்லா கண் விழிப்பே பைரவி அன்பு கணிந்து கனிவே பைரவி ஆண்மை நிறைந்து நிறைவே பைரவி.
Just having Devi here, it feels so much more vibrant.
Feelings of joy, feelings of exuberance, feelings that I don't necessarily feel on my day-to-day life. I hope I can carry this with me for a long time.
It becomes our responsibility to present devotion in a most sensible, exuberant, joyful and blissful way, because if people see you, they must ask, what happened to you? I want to be like this. This establishing Divine Feminine, it's been a wonderful effort and very important for this part of the world.
सर्वधाय महाशक्ति मूलाश्रयवासिनी सर्वधाय महाशक्ति मूलाश्रयवासिनी स्वाधिष्ठाने